Companies with careers in STEM, thank you, that's science, technology, engineering, and math, are working to change the world. And here in Blair, Nebraska, there's a business that's using STEM to make our lives better, easier, and more green. Welcome to Novozymes. When you're in the lab, you rock the coats. This is what we're doing. I'm here with Chuck Hankins. He's a QES manager, which stands for Quality, Environment, and Safety.
You got it.
Thanks. So tell us about Novozymes.
Novozymes is a business. We are a business that is basically the Google of biotechnology. We come up with environmentally friendly solutions to processes in industry that normally are not the most environmentally friendly.
Okay, so you work with enzymes. Tell us about that.
An enzyme is actually a biological structure that has a very specific metabolic activity.
Okay.
So for instance, you have enzymes in your stomach. You have lunch. Those enzymes are digesting that lunch right now so that you can get the nutrition out of that sandwich that you ate.
So it's good.
It's very good.
And there are enzymes all over the world that do all different types of things.
Yes, they're very specific in what they do.
Wow, so you're taking those enzymes and you're using them to make products and stuff in our lives better, faster, more eco-friendly.
Exactly.
Wow, how did you get into a field like that?
I started in the sciences way back when I was a kid. I was the one that took his toys apart and put them back together.
Nice.
Middle school, I started in chemistry, and it just really kind of flew, and I've never looked back.
Wow. Let's go do operation a little bit. It seems like an operation body.
Yes, I had one of those too.
There you go. Nice. So what type of people work here at Novozymes?
The people that work at Novozymes are a special breed. What they have in common is a natural curiosity for the world around them, and the education that they had in the sciences and technology has enabled them to use that knowledge to make the world a better place.
Well, Chuck, would you mind taking me on a tour of the different careers you're going to find here?
You bet, I'd love to.
Oh, great. Well, let's start here, right in the lab. What's going on here?
Okay, well, this is the quality control laboratory, and their essential function is to test the product to ensure quality and integrity of the product.
Okay, do these people need degrees to work here?
Yes, actually in the quality control department, it is fairly technical, as you can tell from all the instrumentation. So everybody in the lab actually has a 4-year degree in the sciences. Okay. Either in chemistry or microbiology or biological science.
Wow. All right, take us to the next stop.
Okay.
All right, Chuck, tell us where we're at.
We are actually in the mixing area. This is the beginning of our fermentation process. As you can see, the tanks behind us is where they make the broth that starts the entire process.
Wow, okay, so you're building those enzymes, getting them ready to ship out. Who's working in this area?
We actually have operators that work in this area.
Okay, what kind of educational background do they have?
That's a good question. Actually, they just have a high school diploma. They've taken some chemistry, some physics, some mathematics, so they can work with weights, measures, some chemicals, and that's it. The rest of the process is our training program to show them the Novozymes way.
Wow, so taking STEM classes in high school is really all you need to start doing some cool stuff right here.
Exactly right.
Awesome. All right, well, we got one more stop. Let's do it.
All right, let's go.
So Chuck, obviously some amazing stuff happens here.
Oh, you betcha. You saw the big equipment upstairs. Well, it takes big tools to take care of it.
Sure. Oh yeah, so tell me about who's working down here.
Well, right now we're in the maintenance shop. In the maintenance shop, their job is to keep all that equipment working. So like behind us, Reagan is actually rebuilding a pump.
Okay, so it takes some special skills to work here, obviously.
Yes, it does. It takes some special training. So you can go to a trade school and you can learn mechanical, you can learn electrical, automation, or even some places have opportunities where you can come in right after high school, and if you have a mechanical aptitude or interest, they will train you.
There you go, right from shop class to using tools like this. Chuck, thanks so much for taking me on the tour. Really appreciate it.
Oh, you bet. I'm glad you could make it.
Awesome. That's Novozymes, Catalyst for Tomorrow. This thing's heavy.
Do little girls.